video today. I'm super excited to bring this video to you because I've been working with some vintage little golden books, and these ones that I've been working with are Easter and spring related. So I have created 12 little golden book journal kits, and these are jam-packed with all kinds of goodies to make your own little golden book journal. You can make multiple journals with all the stuff that I'm giving you, except you're only going to receive one of the vintage golden books in your kit. But my sister and I and my mom have been curating these kits. We've been really taking time finding the perfect little vintage items, and this is nowhere near all you're going to get. I'm going to be showing you each and every piece in the kit, and I have a full tutorial here on my channel that I'm going to be linking right here. I'll link it at the end. I'll link it below so you can go and follow that easy tutorial and make one of these gorgeous vintage little golden book journals for yourself or for a gift for somebody. So again, I have 12 of these available, and I'm going to just be selling them here on my YouTube channel. So please wait to the end of the video. I'm going to give you details on how you can get one of these. So I'm going to be shipping them right away, priority mail. And let's go ahead and get started so I can show you all of the amazing items that this kit comes with. So each kit will come with a vintage little golden book. Just keep in mind these are Easter kits, so some of them will have cute little characters like this. Some of them will have religious images on them. So it just depends which one you get. They're going to be put in the kits at a random, and actually all the kits are already all packed up except for this one. So I do have a couple of these bunny books, but it's just going to be a random book that you get with your kit, and they're going to come all cute and wrapped like this in this pretty Easter paper. So let me just do a quick flip through in case you aren't familiar with little golden books. The tutorial that I have on my channel, it shows how you can make one of these adorable little golden book journals while keeping the entire story intact. So each of the pages that come in these golden books have gorgeous illustrations, adorable stories, and the journal that you make, you can keep the entire story intact because each page will be throughout the journal along with a bunch of other fun goodies. So this one is so cute. This one's in actually really good shape. Some of them do have some marks on them, but I'm just leaving them all intact as they are. As you can see, this one has a little rip down here and over here. Nothing you can't fix with some washi tape or a little bit of glue. So every kit comes with a little golden book. It's going to come with paper cut down to size to fit the tutorial that I have on my channel. And the papers are going to vary, but a lot of these are going to be very similar. This is all premium scrapbook paper that I cut from really great brands. So we have a Maggie Holmes. We've got some Paige Evans sheets. These are like American Crafts, so it's really nice quality. This one here I've been hoarding. This is a Marion Smith paper, and it's double-sided. You're gonna get 2 pockets, so I did seal up one of them. So here is these are triple pocket pages, and there's a pocket here, and a pocket up top. And then you can just bind this into your album with rings. And then there's one that I did, and I just left it unglued. So you can do whatever you want. In case you want to reverse it and do it this way, you can do that. So I just left it like this, but this is a Maggie Holmes Garden Party, and this is a Cartabella paper. So all the designs are going to vary. You're going to get a collection of paper very similar to this, but all the colors and designs will vary. But I'm also including a bunch of premium extra bright thick copy paper. So each kit will get multiple pages of this, and then some just pastel nice heavy duty cardstock. Here's some more of that copy paper, and these are great to decorate with stickers and add pockets throughout your journal, so you can do a bunch of journaling in there. And then there's the cardstock. So another fun item that I love to incorporate into my little golden book journals are paper bags. You can add these into the binding, into the rings. So I've got a variety here of gorgeous spring colors. You can add all of them. You can add some of them. You can even save some and make an album on their own. I have tutorials on my channel for that. I'll link some below. So look at all these beautiful spring paper bags. They look so cute inside the journal, and then you can stick goodies in there. You can trim them down. And then I've got these floral ones here, and they're so pretty. This gorgeous one here, a couple cute bunny ones, and then this carrot bag. So all of those bags come in the kit. So the kits also come with some ribbons, so you can make yourself a tassel to hang off of your journal. And I do include a ring to go with that, and I do include rings to go with the journal as well, and I'll show you those in a second. So this one will come with a ring to hang off the side, and you can make your own ribbon tassel. It comes with a pack of daisies. You'll get a chenille or a yarn in a spring color, so it's either going to be white, robin's egg, yellow, aqua, it just depends. So this one happens to come with a yellow chenille. It's either going to be yarn or chenille. Here is the ring that goes with the tassel, and then each kit is going to come with a brand new Papermate Inkjoy gel pen, just depends what color you get, and an Easter pencil. And then each of the kits will come with one of these adorable little bunny canvas bags. It's so cute. And inside here are the rings to bind your book. All the kits are going to come with a ton of die cuts. So it also comes with a little mini Easter pen. So you get so many die cuts, I'm not even going to count them. These are like 3D Easter stickers. There's a bunch of these cute glittery Easter chipboards in here. There's just all kinds of die cuts. These ones are spring die cuts, and they're adhesive. You've got some beautiful vintage postcard sticker flakes. And these are beautiful. You can use those on a journal page. And then there's some more chipboards. You just get all kinds of die cuts. Pretty floral chipboards, and then a bunch of vintage Tim Holtz spring die cuts, and they're nice and thick and sturdy, and just a bunch of just different goodies. So you get a huge bag full of all these die cuts. This is one of my favorite parts of the kit, and these are prayer cards. So in each kit I'm actually including an entire box of these. And these are prayer cards. They include 20. They're inspirational prayer and scripture cards for yourself and others. And so this is what they look like. And each one has a different prayer scripture on the back. So I think that is one of the best elements of the kit. I just love it so much, and they're all different. This is a super cute element. I'm not going to take it out of the clear bag, but this is like a mini CD sleeve, and my mom helped me put these together. And we put tons of cute things inside here, so I'll just let it be a surprise. But there's like little mini rummy cards and some sequins and some other fun stuff. And we put them in a clear bag to protect it, but inside there again is a little mini CD sleeve that you can decorate. So lots of cute things in there. This kit comes with so much ephemera. This is like my favorite part of the kit. It comes with vintage inspired, new, all kinds of different ephemera. So I'm going to show you everything that the kit's going to come with. I think you're going to love it. You're going to get these vintage style wildflower, and these actually have seeds in them. You're going to get 2 of these vintage seed pockets. These do not have seeds in them, but they are vintage, and you get a lettuce and a carrot. Love those. And this kit comes with tons of ephemera, you guys. It's going to vary. So you're going to get like journaling cards, cute little mini size journaling cards. And what I love to use these for is to kind of layer. So like say you do a page, you can take, pretend this is a little picture. You can take like this little swatch of paper and put the picture there, so there's like some bright springy behind it, and I love that. So this kit's going to come with a bunch of little ephemera pieces, a cute little egg die cut card. It's going to come with this really retro style library pocket with a library card, and it is adhesive on the back so you can stick it in your book and decorate that. Another seed packet. I'm including 3 of the Target clear pockets, and I'm excited because I'm going to be doing a tutorial on these soon. You're going to love it, so stay tuned for that. But these are really great in journals. It's going to come with just some more ephemera, some tags, two of these really cool seed pockets. This one has an acetate window, and this one doesn't have a window, but I think those are fun for journals. A cute little bag. You can bind this into your journal or just glue it down and it creates a little pocket right here. And some of my favorites are these vintage botanical postcards. I love all these. So these all come in there. The designs will vary. And then, of course, my favorite, the vintage Beatrix Potter Peter Rabbit postcards. These are truly, truly so adorable. So this comes with a bunch of those. They're all going to vary. And then let me get into this fun little pack here. Okay, so this fun pack, I'm not gonna open it here on video. I'm just gonna keep this one a surprise, but I will tell you inside here are some vintage children's book pages, some gorgeous napkins to do decoupaging, and there's so many awesome videos out there, and there's a variety in there. On this side, there's a bunch of really beautiful multiple pages of these list notes things, and there's carrots, there's a Ray Dunn one, and some really pretty ones here with a vintage style. And then sandwiched in between all this stuff inside here are vintage catalog, magazine, ephemera pages, just some beautiful Easter vintage book and magazine pages that you can put inside your little golden book journal. That's everything in the kit. It's gonna come all nice and packaged up. We have these all curated from our hearts, my mom, sister, and I. We had so much fun making these, and I hope that you will enjoy it. Go check out my tutorial so you can go ahead and get started once you get your kit. And let me give you the details of how you can snag one of these. So each kit is going to be $75 shipped. That includes priority shipping in a medium flat rate box. This is unfortunately only going to be offered to US only, and it's going to be payment through PayPal only. So if you don't have a PayPal, go ahead and get one set up if you want to get one of these. And the way to contact me if you want one of these kits is to email me in the email that I leave at the top of the description below. So it's actually lyriclovershop@gmail.com. And so if you want one of these kits, it's going to be first come, first serve. Please make sure you pay promptly within the hour when I send you my PayPal link. So again, there's 12 of these available. I really hope that you can get one. If you do want one, they're so much fun, and I believe I'm going to be coming on later and doing some videos on the one that I create. So, but in the meantime, definitely check out that tutorial. I have a full walkthrough tutorial on how to create one of these. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Email me if you want one of these kits. Thanks again. Have a great week. Bye.